Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick trick how you can have a clear and concise terminal like this. Usually, whenever you launch the terminal, it will have the username, working directory, and the host name and other stuff. I want my terminal to be concise and clean so that whenever I type, I get less noise. And it's actually better if you have 13-inch screen or 14-inch screen so that half of the terminal is not consumed by the static host name and username and other stuff. How to do that is really simple. You have to go to terminal, then you have to go to settings, and then select the profile, go to shell, and type this command. I will put this command in the description, so don't worry about it. Also check this run command option tick, and you have to restart, close this, and then reset the terminal, take it effect. Now, as you can see here, I have a space here a little bit. So whenever I type anything, so we will be having that initial space basically. That way it will clearly differentiate between the dollar sign and the whatever the command you are typing. Okay, if you want to customize it, so for example, if I want to use my YouTube channel name, that will be awesome. So I can just do that, and now you can see every terminal for every command I type, it will be having my channel name as a prefix instead of my username actually. So that's cool. But the thing is, this will not work with VS Code. So for the Visual Studio Code, you have to open a new file and create a new file called as zshrc. This is actually present in your users directory, or you can just edit it using, let me just close that. You can edit it using code and it will just open the same file. It will create the file for you. You can just create a file using touch command. So let's assume that I don't have the file. I will delete this file. As you can see, it's in the users directory. So for the sake of it, I will just delete this file and then I will just touch it or code. I can create it with code also. So I'll put the whatever the terminal uh, prefix I want. For example, I just want a dollar symbol and that's it. So after that, you just have to quit the VS Code and relaunch it again. And here we go. So here now, as soon as you create the new terminal, you can have nothing else. And this is really great when working with the VS Code because otherwise it consumes half of the terminal. And again, in the coding screen, when you zoom in the 13-inch devices, it's really painful to type anything on the very end part of the terminal. I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any other questions or comments related to this, or if you want me to check it out with other IDEs that you're using, let me know in the comments below. Thank you.